All right, on the cultivation of insight. Insight is a direct experience with something. So if we were to look at it at the most superficial level, I might say to you what an orange tastes like, and you believe me and have faith what I'm saying is correct, but you don't have the truth of what it tastes like. Therefore, without the experience, you can't have the insight of the taste of that fruit. Once you've tasted it, you have faith in the information that that is true, and the insight accumulates to, that is what that fruit tastes like. So when we relate to insight, it must be rooted in truth, and truth must be rooted in direct experience. Then you're in a place where you understand through direct experience, not through believing or having an indoctrination of any type.